Today, the retired bishop presided over the education service of candidates of Standard High School Zana in a very colorful event held at the school.
Keep you in life eternal through Jesus Christ our Lord.
In his sermon, the bishop reminded the students of the faithfulness of God to those who abide in him, especially to those who remain steadfast in their commitment.
God's goodness and his good plans. We are called upon to position ourselves in such a way that such godly plans would be realized in our lives. Katonda mulungi era obulungi bwe obugabirizi bwe bukulu nnyo, naye bw'oteeka okweteeka mu mbeera esobozesa ebirowoozo bye n'enteekateeka ze okutuukirira.
He cautioned the learners against all evil voices of malpractice during examination period and advised them to desist from such acts.
Ere nga mumanyi nti n'ebibuuzo abamu bayinza okubazannyira ku bwongo, kino kyekiseera tokkiriza muntu kukubuzaabuza. Tokkiriza muntu kujja kano kajja ku source, mubuuze nti source ki, mugambe vaawo genda Setaani, kubanga azannyira ku future yo. Nolwekyo mwegendereze. Remain focused. Know what you have been given by your teachers. It is enough for you to succeed.
Bishop Luwalira, visiting the school for the very first time since its inception in 1994, commended the vision and dedication of the three founding directors, the teachers and parents for their commitment to the learner's success.
Directors who had a vision and shared the vision and had this school in place. Praise be to God for the parents, guardians, and well-wishers for their love, support, and encouragement, and for the far the Lord has laid each one of us as an institution and in a special way. The senior four candidates who are running very fast to the finishing line.
On the same occasion, the Bishop Emeritus cautioned Ugandans to avoid hate speech, insults and all forms of negativity during the election period, calling for unity and peace.
So brethren, as we enter this very crucial time, as far as our country is concerned, and as we look forward to the general elections, the year 2026, let us live carefully.
All the speakers, ranging from the school director, teachers and parents, thanked the students for their resilience and commitment, the parents for their sacrifices in paying the school fees, and the teachers for their unwavering support of the learners.
Come next year, the year of 2026, we want to assure you that the year of 2025, you always term it as the year of 9 A's.
10 years you didn't come, but you have come in retirement, and you can even see that we have welcomed you very well, and we are still doing it. To our candidates, we are privileged that the headmaster and the senior management chose the Anglican faith to dedicate you. We don't take it for granted.
To do Transnight because you're reading this subject plus the other one, but no. Apportion your time. It is possible to apportion your time. Get time to read and get time to rest.
Parents, pray hard. Pray for your students. Pray for your sons and daughters, so they can go through this trying period.
I want to thank our parents for your unwavering support and sacrifices. Your unwavering support and sacrifice cannot go unnoticed, because the school exists because of the parents. If you don't bring these young ones to us here, there is nothing we can boast about.
Bishop Luwalira's visit to Standard High School Zana has not only inspired students to uphold integrity in their studies, but also reminded the wider community of the importance of unity, peace and ethical conduct during both examinations and the ongoing electoral process. John Baptista Humza, Church of Uganda, Family TV News at 8.
we live like it's a science.